National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Yolo County in central California, southeastern Thunder County in central California, north central Sacramento County in central California, northeastern Solano County in central California, southwestern Placer County in central California, southwestern Yuba County in central California, until 4:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:27 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Freeport, or 9 miles southeast of Davis, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. The damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Torrential rain and flooding of roadways and small hail will also accompany the storm. Locations impacted include Sacramento, Roseville, Citrus Heights, Davis, Rockland, Carmichael, Fair Oaks, Rancho Cordova, West Sacramento, Lincoln, Lewis, La Riviera, Foothill Farms, Rio Linda, Nicholas, Pleasant Grove, North Highlands, Alberta, Arco Arena, and Antelope. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California: Placer. You are listening to No. Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Placer, Sacramento, Solano, Sutter, Yolo, and Yuba. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Yolo County in central California, southeastern Thunder County in central California, north central Sacramento County in central California, northeastern Solano County in central California, southwestern Placer County in central California, southwestern Yuba County in central California, until 4:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:27 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Freeport, or 9 miles southeast of Davis, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. The damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Torrential rain and flooding of roadways and small hail will also accompany the storm. Locations impacted include Sacramento, Roseville, Citrus Heights, Davis, Rockland, Carmichael, Fair Oaks, Rancho Cordova, West Sacramento, Lincoln, Lewis, La Riviera, Foothill Farms, Rio Linda, Nicholas, Pleasant Grove, North Highlands, Alberta, Arco Arena, and Antelope. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California: Placer. Message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Amador, Calaveras, San Joaquin, and Stanislaus. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a tornado warning for northeastern San Joaquin County in central California, northern Stanislaus County in central California, west central Calaveras County in northern California, southwestern Amador County in northern California, until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:35 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Farmington, or 12 miles east of Stockton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Milton around 3:50 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Rancho Calaveras and Wallace around 3:55 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Paloma, Campo Seco, and Valley Springs around 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Linden. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Calaveras, San Joaquin, Stanislaus, and Tuolumne. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a tornado warning for western Tuolumne County in Northern California, east central San Joaquin County in Central California, north central Stanislaus County in Central California, southwestern Calaveras County in Northern California, until 4:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:43 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Modesto, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Escalon around 3:50 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Oakdale around 3:55 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Eugene and East Oakdale around 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Telegraph City and Milton around 4:10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Hodson, Copperpolis, and Copper Cove Village around 4:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hudson and Keys. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Amador, Calaveras, El Dorado, Nevada, Placer, Sacramento, Stanislaus, Tuolumne, and Yuba. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tuolumne County in Northern California, northeastern Sacramento County in Central California, northeastern Stanislaus County in Central California, western El Dorado County in Northern California, southwestern Placer County in Central California, Calaveras County in Northern California, southeastern Yuba County in Central California, southwestern Nevada County in Northern California, Amador County in Northern California, until 4:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:07 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles east of Lincoln to Turlock, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Folsom, Oakdale, Auburn, Placerville, Sonora, Jackson, San Andreas, El Dorado Hills, Cameron Park, Paloma, Waterford, Lake of the Pines, Ione, Lewis, Rancho Merida, Colfax, Rescue, Valley Springs, Railroad Flat, and Smithfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following county.